Adrian Raine conducted a landmark study in 1997 exploring whether murderers have different brain functioning compared to non-violent individuals, using brain imaging technology to investigate biological explanations for violent behavior. Raine used a technique called positron emission tomography, or PET scanning, to measure glucose metabolism in the brains of 41 individuals charged with murder, comparing them to a matched control group with no history of violence. The participants included both men and women, and the murderers had all pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity, meaning the study focused on individuals where biological or neurological explanations might be particularly relevant. The participants included both men and women, and the murderers had all pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity, meaning the study focused on individuals where biological or neurological explanations might be particularly relevant. The findings showed reduced activity in the prefrontal cortex of the murderers, an area associated with decision-making, impulse control, and emotional regulation, suggesting a possible link to aggressive and antisocial behavior. At the same time, increased activity was found in subcortical areas such as the amygdala, which is involved in emotional responses like fear and aggression, indicating an imbalance in brain systems controlling behavior. Raine concluded that violent behavior may, in part, be explained by biological factors, supporting a neurobiological perspective on criminality, rather than purely social or environmental explanations. However, the study has been criticized for issues such as lack of control over variables like medication, head injuries, or substance abuse, which may have affected brain activity in participants. There are also ethical concerns about biological determinism, as suggesting that brain differences cause violent behavior may reduce perceptions of personal responsibility and raise questions about how offenders are treated in society. Overall, Raine's study was highly influential in the field of forensic psychology, contributing to debates about the extent to which criminal behavior is shaped by nature versus nurture.